So Guka, you're stuck in regret again, huh? You woke up wishing you'd gone to bed earlier, already annoyed at yourself before the day even started. You bought something you didn't really need, and now you're staring at it like it personally betrayed your wallet. And that one weird thing you said months ago, somehow it's back, playing on repeat in your head like a bad song you didn't ask for. But here's the thing, your brain is built to focus on the negative. It's not broken, it's just trying to protect you. Even on a good day, it scans for problems. That's called negativity bias, and everyone has it. You could have 100 solid moments, but your mind, it'll obsess over the one awkward one. Like waving at someone who wasn't waving at you, or saying you too when the cashier says enjoy your meal. And the worst part? Your brain doesn't just remember, it distorts. That tiny mistake feels huge, but to everyone else, it didn't even register. Because honestly, people aren't thinking about you. They're too busy cringing over their own mess. Regret tells you, you should have known better, but you made the best choice you could with what you had. The info, the emotions, the moment. That's not failure, that's just being human. So stop replaying the past like it owes you something. Use the regret, let it teach you, let it shape you, then laugh at it and move on. Because smart people regret, but the happy ones, they let go and they keep walking forward.